Hello guys, I will show you how perya there and the back may I walk there, so you can fish catch the fisher. You go there and there ito is a perya to Barbarilan. So many games to there to play the many children, and they go there is the palace the under, and I will show you to biwok sa there is so many fish like bangus and tilapia, so you can catch the bangus and tilapia, so you can put it to there.
Ano ka nasisira, ulo?
to fish, to catch the fish. There's so many playing in the perya because as is the fiesta there, and since go there is maraming peryahan there. Ayun there, so marami so many things perya, and see your kids is very enjoying, and you can not play, you go there to the dito dito there's to my back there is the so many fishing boat there, so you can arkila there one of the surround there, so the place of bangka, ayan, so arkila to 1,000 per boat, yan, so you can look around there to catch the fish, and so you can home to your so it is 500 arkila pesos in there, 500 pesos, so you can go now and you can enjoy this place to catch the bangus and the tilapia, so many dito. You can put
Mga bunganga nyo! Sahihin nyo!
you can I'm here inside in Peryahan because so playing my children to both side, and well you can play the games. I will buy a ticket dito, buy ticket 100 pesos per rides, so you can buy the ticket and you can rides, so you cannot loko the ticket to buy because the lupi is your boxing to your face.